Hi, I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this is another 1-minute library life hack. Let's look at how you use the EndNote feature Find Full Text for a reference. First, import into EndNote a reference. We'll do this by using EndNote's online search mode. Clicking on PubMed, I'm going to look for an article that starts with the words eyes towards tomorrow. Change the drop-down menu to title and click on search. I need to move the reference from temporary search area to an existing group. So I'm going to move that to biology STEAM. Then I need to go to that group. Left click on the reference, then right click, then click on Find Full Text. Then you'll see under Find Full Text that it's searching for it. And there it is. It found it. Now we have a paperclip under the paperclip column that says it's full text. Then over here on the right, we can click on the PDF of that, choose Open with Adobe Acrobat, and there's the full text. I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this has been a 1-minute library life hack.